Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today, Fitri Angelia Siregar will answer several questions from the following question. Let's start. Number 1. Question number 1. What is meant by computer system? ALU, ALU, CU, CU, input and output device. Of course, here is explanation of each this term. Computer system. Computer system. Definition: a computer system is a collection of hardware and software that work together to perform various computing tasks. A computer system consists of several main components such as CPU, memory or RAM, strong device, hard drive or SSD, input and output device, and network device. The main function of a computer system is to receive input data, process that data using the CPU and memory, and produce output that is useful for user or other system. Computer system can be used for a variety of application, from word processing to scientific simulation and computer games. Next, ALU. ALU is ALU. ALU is the part of the CPU that is responsible for performing arithmetic operational such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and logic operation such as AND, OR, NOT, and XOR. The main function of an ALU is perform basic calculation and logic operation required by program instruction. The ALU receive data from CPU register, perform the requisite operation, and send the result back to the register for future processing of strong control of strong. Next, CU, control unit. CU is the part of the CPU that regulate and control all operation in the computer. The CU directs the operation of the ALU, memory, and input or output device based on the instruction of the program being executed. The main function of a CU is to feed instruction from main memory, the code, does introduction, and directs the operation necessary to execute the instruction. The CU also manages data flow between the ALU, register, and memory. Okay, next is input device. Input device are hardware device used to enter data and instruction into a computer. Example, keyboard, from entering text and command. Mouse, for controlling the cursor and selection objects. Scanner, from scanning physical document into digital form. And microphone, from recording sound. The main function of an input device is to allow the user to provide data and instruction to the computer from future processing. for future processing. Next, output tools. Output tools or output device are hardware device used to display or output process data from a computer. Example, monitor from display text, image and video, printer from printing document, speaker from produce sound or audio, and projector from displaying image or video on a large screen. The main function of the output device is to enable a computer to convey process information to a user or other system in the understandable form such as text, image, sound, or physical print. Okay, next the question 2. Question 2. Stop share. Question number 2. Question number 2, the following is information about the computer component contained in the question. Okay, image number 1, this is a processor or CPU, central processor unit. Is the brain and main part of the computer which responsible from organizing and controlling input and output device, taking introduction from main memory, processing data, choke arithmetic, and logging operation, managing data flow between computer component, executing a series of program instructions, and managing memory to ensure program have the access the need. The CPU ensure that the computer can perform a variety of tasks efficiently, from basic operation to complex application, allow all parts of the computer to work in harmony. And image number 2 in the question is scanner. A scanner is a device used to digitize physical document or image into digital format, making it easier to active, search and access document. Access document. And access document. Okay. Its main function, the scanner is include digitive document to reduce paper use, editing and modify document through word processing software, efficient distribution and sharing for information, and enhancing security with digital strong and backup. The scanner OCR technology enable recognizing and conversion of text in image into editable text, while the image scanner produce high quality reproductions of photo and illustration. The scanner also support integration with document management system or DMS for business process automations, increasing productivity and efficiency in information management. Next, the following explain of the function of each component on the motherboard. Okay. image number 3. This is Northbright. Northbright is one on the main chips on the motherboard, which responsible for managing communication between the CPU, RAM, RAM, and graphic device or GPU. Function connection CPU with RAM. Northbright handle communication between CPU and main memory or RAM. This allow the CPU to quickly access data stored in RAM. Connection the CPU with RAM to the GPU. The Northbright is also responsible for managing communication between the CPU and the graphic card connect to the PCI expert atau PCIe expansion slot. Function the 3 handles boost speed. The Northbright regulate the system bus speed and often has an integrated memory controller, which determine the spin and type of RAM that can be used. Okay, image in number 4. This is socket processor or CPU. Socket processor or CPU. Socket is a slot or socket on the motherboard where the processor CPU is installed. The socket has pin of connect the CPU to the electrical and data lines on the motherboard. Function the CPU slot. This is keep CPU secure mount. This socket is designed to hold the CPU securely in place, ensure good contact with the motherboard. Through its socket, the CPU can communicate with other components on the motherboard, such as RAM, GPU, and strong device. And the socket are typically designed to allow the installation of CPU heatsink and controlling fan, which are important for keeping the CPU's operation temperature within safe limit. And image in the number 5. This is primary ATA connector. Primary ATA, Advanced Technology Attachment Connector, also known ID, Integration Driver Electronic Connector, is a standard interface used to connect strong devices such as hard drive and CD or DVD driver on the motherboard. Connection function the ATA connector is the primary ATA connector allow the motherboard to communicate with strong device, allowing data to the read and write of the from to hard drive or CD or DVD drive. And primary ATA connector typically allow connection of two devices per cable, one as master and one as slave. This allow flexible configuration to add more than one strong device. Right, okay. And managing data transfer. ATA connector manage the flow data between strong device and the motherboard, ensuring data can be transferred at speeds appropriate for the device. And function the number 4 by understanding the function of the NOR byte, CPU socket, and primary data connection, we can better understand how the components work together to form a complete and function computer system. Okay. Next, question number 4. The following is the information I got from my computer. Component number 1, RAM, with the has a capacity 4 gigabyte, and processor number 2, component number 2, processor with the Intel has a capacity Intel Core is Intel Core i3 and 1150 G4 at 3 gigahertz. And component number 3, hard disk with the Western Digital has capacity 256 gigabyte. And component number 4, LAN card has capacity 1000 megapixel Ethernet. And number 5, VGA card with the Intel R UHD graphic has capacity GTX 1050. Component number 6, BIOS with the Inside Crop 4128. Component number 7, SO, operation system they use in my PC is Microsoft Windows 11. And number 8 is DES7 software is installed to my computer. Next, I display. Next, I am show the 7 software they install to my computer. This is information. When I meet the information from my computer. This is this, and next, this is a software is installed to my computer. Okay, this is Google Chrome. Okay, wait. Okay. This is Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Okay. Of course, here the function of each application mentioned. Number 1, Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser developed by Google. Its function is to access the display. Access and display. Access and display web page on the internet. Chrome offers various features such as fast browsing, high security with automatic update, support from extension and web application, as well as support from extension and web application, as well as synchronization with Google account to save history, bookmark, and preference across all user device. Number 2, Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a web browser developed by Microsoft. Its function is similar to Google Chrome, namely to access and display web page on the internet. Edge has strong security and privacy feature. Integration with the Microsoft service like Office 365, reading mode from a better reading experience, and efficient browsing tools like collection and notes. Number 3, Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud strong service that allow user to store file and data online. Its function includes storing, sharing, and accessing file from various device connect to the internet. OneDrive also enable automatic synchronizing between local and file integration with Microsoft Office application, and real-time collaboration on shared document. Next, number 4, Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio is an integrated development environment, or IDE, used by software developer to create application, websites, and service. Its function include code editing, debugging, testing, and creating application for various platforms such as Windows, iOS, Android, and the web. Visual Studio support various programming language such as C, C++, JavaScript, and Python, and each. Okay. Next, number 5, MongoDB Compass. Number 5, MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is a graphic interface tool for MongoDB NoSQL database. Its function is to tool from MongoDB a NoSQL database. Its function is to visual, explore, and manage data store in MongoDB database. MongoDB Compass allow user to query, analysis data subscription, and monitor database perform without requiring in-depth knowledge of MongoDB query syntax. Number 6, Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is a web browser developed by the Mozilla Foundation. Its function is to access and display web pages on the internet. Firefox offers a variety of features such as fast and secure browsing, powerful privacy and security tool, support for extension, and then the ability to sense browsing data across device. Number 7, Grammarly for Windows. Grammarly for Windows. Number 7. Why? Number 7, Grammarly for Windows. Grammarly for Windows is an application that provide automatic spelling and grammar checking for user writing. Its function include detecting and correction spelling, grammar, punctuation, and styling error in document. Grammarly also provides clear, more effective, and easy to understand right suggestion and support writing in the application such as Microsoft Word, email, and web browser. Okay, next. This is presentation. Explain the result of the final group presentation with partner, the U discussion. Okay. This is a presentation, my team. This is namely Angel team. Okay. Final group presentation result with partner SMK Swadhipa Satunatar. In our final group presentation with partner in SMK Swadhipa Satunatar, we discuss the implementation of the tune-up utilities 2014 application and the rule of AI Dynatrace in improving the observability and performance of computer operating system in school. We began by explaining the background of the project, conferring the computer system performance problem faced by the school, and our aim to address the problem using these two technologies. We describe the research method used, which include problem identification, data collection through observation and interview, application installation and configure, user training and data monitoring and analysis. Our descriptive case study provide an in-depth understanding of system before and after implementation. Key result of the implementation saw the boot time was reduced from average of 120 seconds to 45 seconds. Crash frequency dropped from 3 times per week to 1 time for months, and available a strong capacity increasing by 20% due to junk file cleaning and this optimization. Additionally, Dynatrace AI helps in real-time system performance monitoring and anomaly detection, enable quick response to emergency tools. The benefit the school gain from this project include increasing computer performance and is more responsive and stable, improve user experience for student and staff, and increasing maintenance capacity through the training we provide. We also discuss the challenge faced during implementation, such as resistance to change and technical problems, as well as the solution including intensive training and improved technical support. Okay. Based of the increased implementation result, we provide several suggestions and recommendations to SMK Swadhipa Satunatar, such as carrying out regular system maintenance, holding future training for IT staff and students, and considering future development of the school IT infrastructure. Okay, next. After the presentation, we open a session where the school gave positive feedback to the project result and expressed appreciation for our effort. They also provide a valuable input for future improvement, such as integration with exciting IT management system and request for more training session for new user. We close the presentation by thanks SMK Swadhipa Satunatar from the corporation and support provided during the project. We also confirm our commitment to continue supporting school in effort to improve the performance and stability of their computer system. Computer system, this presentation not only provide insight into the implementation result, but also strengthening the implementation result, but also strengthening the collaboration relationship between us and SMK Swadipawan Satunatar with the shared goal of exhibit a better learning environment through technology. Okay guys, hopefully this video is useful for all of us. Don't hesitate to provide feedback or question in the comment column. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.